Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you know me, you know I like to bike, and so I like to be seen too when I'm biking, and so I got this thing here, and I'll show you what it is. It's a helmet cover, and so it's kind of this bright helmet cover, because sometimes I'm wearing stuff like this in I have the lights on the back and stuff, but sometimes I just don't trust it. And I also have this big visor that I kind of like wearing on it as well. So I got one of these that actually has some pretty decent length to it, a decent size, so it should be able to fit over this and fit over the whole helmet, so it'll make it nice for me. So actually people can see me when I'm biking. Let's see if I can put this on. Let's see, I'll start on the back and work my way to the front. So here we go. I don't know why I'm having such a difficult time. I think because I'm on the camera. Okay, there we go. I didn't get it around the back very good. So, okay, so here we go. And I don't want it to cover my little backlight. But here we go. So I'll put this over here, and it stretches right around. There. Oh man, this is like the perfect size for this. So look at this, it just fits right perfect on there, nice and tight, and still access my little light. See, so I can put that on when I'm riding. And I can wear, although with this, everyone will see it, but you see it covers up the whole front. Perfect size for that. And I'll be able to wear it. And so, you think people will be able to see me? I think so, and what's good about it is it's not so big, it doesn't come down more, and it still gives me my visor, which I like. Even, not necessarily in the night, I'm not gonna need a visor, but I like it for the wind, and I just wear it all the time for some reason. So, I don't know, maybe it just keeps it bright if I look down, if cars are coming or something like that. And also it screws on this particular helmet, so it just never really comes off. But so that's what's cool, and then you can take it off and put it away when you don't want to be seen. But I mean, if I'm just riding around the lake or something, otherwise I'll probably just end up leaving it on, because who cares. But very cool. So I'm gonna say this is a really nice one here, and what does it say? It said something on the back. It said TUC Tucool Racing, Tucool. And on the front it says, or that's the back, or that's the front, and on the back it says night vision. So very cool and very reflective. I don't know if you can tell on the thing there, but it's gonna be super reflective, so any light will just shine right at it. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.